Meanwhile, they look the same as every other pair. I'll tell you, it does work your legs.
How do you feel in them?
Well, since I'm used to wearing boots, a little naked, but...
I could tell you this area right here, you could feel that working really well. Unlike your booty.
Mm-hmm.
I think they're fun.
You can feel them. That's what they're made for. So you're working out as you're just walking.
So we're just at nature trekking.
Naked.
Nature perverts. We're nature trekking.
That's what I would just say.
Yeah, okay, buddy.
Can you wait for me?
Nope. Wasn't that funny, buddy?
Oh my God.
Okay, so mainly face it down. Yeah, okay.
Flips.
Okay, so here we are back at this again. Okay, so we're going to go for black ones.
Black flips.
And this is walking in dirt this time.
It's kind of like little pebbly rocks.
So, you know, classic. Mom's like,
Don't
"Nope,
walk near me.
we're not getting
Don't
black
walk
this
near
one."
me.
Okay, and then here's the cheeks. I
Cheeks.
brought both of my cheeks.
Yeah, how does your legs feel walking in them?
You could feel it working this and this.
Mm-hmm.
They're fun.
Yep.
Okay, get some of the water. Get some of the water.
I can't get the water.
That's okay.
There's the water.
Okay, and then these funky ones are from the dollar store.
Yeah, they're comfortable.
They're weird. They're weird. I don't think these are going to be comfortable, to be honest, but we'll just go get that.
No.
Actually, these are kind of like the old school ones I used to steal from you. Remember when you used to have those platform high heels?
Mm-hmm.
That's what these are.
Wow.
I'm gonna rock in them. Did you get that on film? Now, me and Mama switched. The white ones are actually mine. The black ones are Mama's. Because Mama...
Well, you kept saying you wanted the black ones, so I'm like, yeah, whatever. I don't care. And then you're like, no, I'm taking the white ones. It's like, well, okay.
That's my favorite shade. Okay, now I'm going to take y'all on a little walk.
Yeah.
A little stroll. Okay, now let's do Mama. No? Okay, we'll be back.
I was trying to explain to you.
What,
I'm
Mama?
used to wear my big native boots, my
Yep.
buffalo dancers.
Mm-hmm.
So wearing these, I have naked feet, so I feel naked. Sorry.
So how
And
did
the
you
feet-
feel on the walk?
Well, I'm not used to them, but you could feel it in the back of your leg and up.
And the like shin area?
Yes.
And then these are Mama's, which she
Yeah,
gave
that's
to me
what
by accident, but I had the white and silver and she had these ones.
Well, because you, I don't know, whatever. The color doesn't change. They pretty, they're black and silver.
Pose for the video. We're at the water. Mama's a fun time. Also, Old Navy is having a sale June the 15th. Dollar flips. I'm going to buy my mom some flips and she bought me the cheeks. So, even though we're probably going to wear the cheeks more, but you know, just for some fun videos for, you know, the summer and stuff. Since the nice weather is finally here. This place is legendary.
Yeah.
Oof. Can you see the little bugs floating around?
Protein. She's starting to get cool already.
Anyway, AC and Mama Bear's out.
Bye.
See ya.